Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to use DeepSeek locally. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official DeepSeek website right here, deepseek.com if you're not already. Now first things first, we're going to need an account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go and click start now right here. That's going to enable you to register for an account if you don't have one, and if you have one, just log in and now we can get started. So guys, to be able to run DeepSeek locally, we are going to need a second program, and that program is right here called Llama. This is going to enable us to get up and running with large language models. As you can see, DeepSeek R1 is one of them that we can get started using. So here we have an article that you can find on Google on how to run DeepSeek locally on your computer, so you can follow the steps one by one to take a look at. But basically guys, what we're going to do is install Llama. It's going to be available right here, so you can click the download button. That's going to enable you to download for Windows, Linux, or Mac OS, and after that you can go ahead and run the installation option for DeepSeek. So it's going to enable you to run DeepSeek R1, and after that you can go ahead and run it in basic mode and install it into your Llama processing, and after that you can get started using it. So if you have any troubleshooting or need any help with the steps, you can find them right here in the article or just by googling it. But basically this is how to get started. This is what you're going to need to get started using it locally. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.